Hey there, tech enthusiasts and aspiring website creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of web development, where it takes center stage. If you're looking to create a stunning website without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. We've scoured the web and found the top 3 free website builder tools in 2023 that will help you turn your vision into reality. So, let's get started. But before we dive into our website builder showcase, I want to tell you about an incredible opportunity. There's a government-certified EdTech platform that's offering trendy digital courses to help you grow your business online or achieve financial freedom. Imagine working just 2 to 3 hours a day from the comfort of your home and getting paid weekly. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. To learn more about this exciting opportunity, simply click the link in our Instagram bio. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Now, let's get back to our website building journey with our first contender. Is an absolute game changer, Wix ADI, short for Artificial Design Intelligence. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative individual, Wix ADI has got your back. It's as simple as answering a few questions about your business, and voila! Wix ADI generates a customized website for you. But wait, there's more. You can tweak the design, layout, and content to your heart's content, all without any coding experience. Now, who doesn't love that? Next up, we have the Hostinger Website Builder, a real powerhouse. Not only does it offer an website builder, but it also throws in a content writer, logo maker, and even heat map analysis. It's a one-stop shop for all your website needs. The Website Builder here is super user-friendly and can have you up and running with a professional website in mere minutes. Perfect for those who want a quick and impressive online presence. Last but not least, for all you web development wizards out there, we have TeleportHQ. This free website builder is all about flexibility and customization. You can add your own custom HTML and CSS code to make your website truly unique. TeleportHQ also offers a wide array of pre-built templates and components to jumpstart your project. It's a dream come true for developers who need that extra layer of control. Now, you might be wondering which of these amazing tools is right for you. Well, it all depends on your individual needs. If you're after speed and simplicity, Wix ADI might be your go-to. For an all-in-one solution, the Hostinger Website Builder has got you covered. And if you crave the ultimate control over your website, TeleportHQ is your playground. Remember, they all offer free plans with additional paid features, so explore them and find your perfect fit. There you have it, folks. The top 3 free website builder tools of 2023 that will help you bring your online dreams to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these tools have something special to offer. It's an exciting time for web development, and AI is making it accessible to everyone. Before we wrap things up, remember the fantastic opportunity I mentioned earlier? Don't miss out on your chance to grow your business online or achieve financial freedom by working just 2 to 3 hours a day from home with weekly payments. Get all the details by clicking the link in our Instagram bio. It could be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy website building and may your online dreams become a reality.